you remember when Dr. Olarotono revealed that the shops which were destroyed on December 6 during clash or riot when Bobi Wine came to Gulu were the shops belonging to the Bantu people, majority Baganda. Now Olanya Gilbert is taking action against it.
You know, me buricha bichel muka li shon peo mirwale arranyi maketemo ko Mr. Chagolani ki jo mai mir magu biru mere kayen kui mai ni oro beye ngate mopo bal ka biru kayen ketemo gimali ko ki Gulu makar meno enginjo ma buti marani ko Mr. Chagolani ki chwaro gimeti marani idoha padano pe buti mi doha duchu buwe doha pa Acholi egu buru doha pa Banyankole egu buru doha pa Gimara buru doha pa Indi egu buru doha pa Joma ake kamo kene ki kemme ki doha pa Lora Baganda Teken butika na jemini eni anyu teni tie jomo magemiru tugo kilano imiru neni Acholi ki Baganda kitika tele ni Acholi pe yene word Baganda biru tim campaign ya Acholi ni Acholi pe mero ni Baganda ko tim bi achara ya Acholi mo mara ngate mo tigi doga ne Gulu a kono kimitiana we repeat lo tino ne we chul school fees no balgira no wayam chon Acholi joda na aki mari ko aki West Nile Karamoja Sudan budoga Acholi ku chamu tebe ne ya Acholi man pikitwa mirwa kwela wa chiel kidwona chiel kichune chiel pe wa ye kigere medogwa pe wa ye ngati mo uchiro wit ma wan wa poriye.
MP Olanya demands compensation for traders affected by December 6 Gulu chaos. Clark South Member of Parliament Dr. Gilbert Olanya has issued a strong warning to the government, threatening legal action if compensation is not paid to traders whose businesses were looted during the Gulu December 6, 2025 disturbances in Gulu City. Addressing a press conference in Gulu City on Tuesday, Dr. Olanya said the state bears responsibility for the losses incurred by traders after security failed to prevent widespread looting during the chaos. The violence erupted on the day National Unity Platform No President Robert Chagulanyi, popularly known as Bobi Wine, was in the city as part of his political engagements. According to the legislator, several shops along Lagara Road were broken into and looted, with many of the affected businesses reportedly owned by traders from the Bantu community. He described the incident as a serious violation of citizens' right to property and economic security. Dr. Olanya revealed that he has begun compiling a comprehensive list of affected traders, including detailed assessments of the value of goods destroyed or stolen during the unrest. He said the documentation will form the basis of a potential legal suit against the government should compensation not be forthcoming. The traders were innocent business people going about their lawful activities. The state has a constitutional duty to protect lives and property. When it fails in that duty, it must take responsibility, Olanya said. The MP further called upon lawyers and human rights advocates interested in the matter to join hands with him in pursuing legal redress. He emphasized that the planned legal action is not politically motivated but aimed at securing justice and restoring livelihoods for affected traders. This is about accountability and the rule of law. We cannot allow a situation where citizens suffer losses due to security lapses and are often left to struggle on their own, he added. However, Security authorities in Gulu City have previously stated that a large portion of the looted merchandise was recovered in the aftermath of the chaos and returned to the rightful owners. Police officials maintain that investigations were conducted and suspects arrested, while efforts were made to trace and recover stolen goods. Despite these assurances, Dr. Olanya insists that many traders are yet to be fully compensated for their losses, noting that some goods were either damaged, never recovered, or returned in incomplete quantities. The December 6 incident remains a sensitive subject in Gulu City, raising broader questions about public order management during political events and the protection of civilian property. As pressure mounts from political leaders and affected traders, attention is now focused on whether the government will move to compensate victims or face legal action.